Brooklyn today, and we're going to do a food tour. We're going to visit a lot of old historic Italian food businesses. We're going to check out a vinyl record store, and we're going to go to some antique places too. It'll be a lot of fun. Hey guys, the best way to get to this area of Brooklyn is to take the Bergen Street station stop on the F or G train. Court Pastry Shop was founded in 1948 by the Zerilli family, and it's now being run by the second generation bakers, brothers Gaspar and Vincent Zerilli. And they're known for all their homemade Italian pastries, but especially their cannolis, because they make them all by hand, like each one individually. They make each shell, like they roll out the dough, and they make each shell by themselves, and then they bake them, of course, and fill them with cream. They're really delicious. We're gonna go inside and get some pastries, and they're known for their Italian ices that they sell in the summer. So we're gonna get that as well. Gaspar told us that all the recipes they use today are from his father, who worked at the shop until he was 86 years old. In addition to being well known for their homemade cannolis, they're also known for their traditional sfogliatelle, a flaky pastry filled with a sweet ricotta mixture, and their lobster tails, made using the same dough, but formed into a large flaky pastry swirled around a Bavarian and French cream center. Gaspar also shared with us that he's a little worried about what will happen to the bakery when he is gone, because he is the last Zerilli baker. All of his children worked at the bakery when they were younger, but became professionals and don't want to run the bakery. It'll be perfect just the way it is. $7.80. It's a big lobster tail. Oh, that pistachio ice looks amazing. Thank you. You're welcome. Not only did we get a pistachio Italian ice from Court Pastry, but we got an amazing lobster tail. Look at that cream filling. So this Italian ice is so amazing. You can just taste all the little fresh pistachios that you can see in them. See all the little pistachios? So delicious. And so great to cool off on a hot summer day. Okay, Hudson, we saved some pistachio Italian ice for you. Oh, it's gonna make your tongue all green. No, you don't eat that. No. All done. All done, big guy. I'm back again because I realized I did not get a vanilla cannoli, and I definitely need one of those. The lobster tail cannoli, I got a little box. Oh, that would be amazing. Because otherwise I fear it will get crushed. Thank God for the box from Court Pastry Shop, as both our lobster tail pastry and our vanilla cannoli made it back from our long walk to our studio in the East Village without being crushed.
Yeah, and both pastries are absolutely amazing.
Yeah, the lobster tail was large enough to share, and every inch was filled with fresh, delicious cream.
Yeah, lots of cream.
Caputo's Bake Shop on Court Street by Sackett was founded in 1904 by James Caputo's great-grandfather, who moved to Brooklyn from Sicily and opened this beautiful bake shop. Everything is made fresh right on the premises, and they're known for all their freshly baked breads, and they have cookies and cakes as well. We're going to go inside and get some delicious items from there. Fourth-generation owner James Caputo told us that when he was a young boy, there were at least 8 Italian bread bakeries in the neighborhood, and that they originally only sold bread, rolls, and bread biscotti, not sweet biscotti. They didn't have the large variety of bread that they offer today, and only sold plain bread, seeded bread, rolls, whole wheat bread, and cioccola, a white Sicilian lard bread. They added pastries, cakes, and cookies to their offerings in 1964. So we got some delicious items from Caputo Bake Shop. We got a semolina golden raisin with fennel loaf. Let's take that out to show you guys. Amazing. And we got the very last two, because these are super popular. Their pretzel roll and a pretzel twist. No, Hudson, you already had a biscotti. Esposito Sons Jersey Pork Store on Court Street by President was founded in 1922, and it's now being run by the third generation owners, brothers George and John Esposiito. And not only are they a butcher shop, but they also make a lot of homemade Italian specialties. So we're going to go inside and check it out. This store has such a homey atmosphere, and you can just tell that everything here is made with love. Like so many pork stores we visit in New York City, it's a real community gathering spot, and a whole host of characters comes in and out.
And there's a big pig out front, which never hurts.
So from Esposito Sons Jersey Pork Store, we're trying their mozzarella, ricotta, and prosciutto balls, for lack of a better word. And they're made fresh on the premises, and we're going to try one. Really delicious. You can see the little flecks of prosciutto in there.
Well, that looks extra good.
It is really good. Yesterday's News, Antiques and Collectibles on Court Street at 2nd Place was established in 2001. We loved how many of the goods they sell were spilling out onto the sidewalk in front of their shop, and definitely plan on going back to take a look inside. Oh, look at this. That brings me back. Remember that, Jimmy?
Yep, I remember.
And then you get your fingers stuck in there. Two Silhouettes on the Shade on Court Street by Lucas Street was founded 15 years ago by Janet and Mike Marcus, who are always found sitting outside on lawn chairs. Hey look, I can measure my foot.
That's a Brannick device.
A Brannick device. I didn't know that's what they called them.
From like shoe store commercials.
Exactly. The shop is packed both outside and in from floor to ceiling with various used merchandise, including housewares, clothing, knickknacks, sporting equipment, and other collectibles. After going inside, we realized why the owners sit outside the shop. There's literally no room for them inside, as there's just a narrow center aisle for you to walk through and barely enough room to turn around. Black Gold Records, right across the street from Two Silhouettes on Court Street, was founded in 2010 by Jeff Ogiga and Mike Polmasek. They designed the space so that customers could not only go crate digging through stacks of top quality used vinyl records of every genre, from hip hop to punk rock, gospel, R&B, soul, and jazz, but also to enjoy some Brooklyn roasted coffee while looking at taxidermied animal heads and other oddities lining the walls.
Eye of the tiger, huh?
Eye of the tiger. The cream of the crop.
Yeah, rising up.
Jimmy, look at this category.
Oh, yeah. Are you guys
Other. Other. Okay. Look, Jimmy, I like these old wood crates that the 45s are in. Cool, right? Hudson not only got treats from here, but we purchased a Dig We Must t-shirt from Black and Gold Records. Oh God, that's it, you're getting it now. Brooklyn Pharmacy and Soda Fountain on Henry Street at Sackett is housed in a restored 1920s apothecary store. When brother and sister co-owners Peter Freeman and Gia Giaciolo first discovered the abandoned pharmacy storefront, the interior was frozen in time and filled with drugstore ephemera and original architectural details. They envisioned reopening the space as a modern-day soda fountain, restoring its interior, but ran into restoration issues and high costs. But in a strange twist of fate, a chance encounter led to the entire restoration process being funded by the Discovery Channel for a feature on the season finale of their show Construction Intervention. The shop opened in May 2010, and we absolutely love its 1920s penny-tiled floors, pressed tin ceilings, pharmaceutical cabinets filled with medicine bottles and pharmacy ephemera, and its 20-foot marble counter with red swirling stools, and their Bastion Blessing soda fountain, which all add to the authentic ambiance. Brooklyn Pharmacy and Soda Fountain specializes in egg creams, ice cream sundaes, milkshakes, ice cream floats, and also offers a variety of sandwiches and sparkling sodas using Farmacy's house-made syrups. We were intrigued by the Mr. Potato Head specialty Salty Sweet Sundae, which features North Fork potato chips, vanilla ice cream, Farmacy's peanut butter and warm caramel sauce topped with fresh whipped cream. So we had to get a classic vanilla egg cream from the Brooklyn Farmacy. We really love this vanilla egg cream. It was definitely one of the best we've ever had. Hey guys, what a great day we had today in Carroll Gardens, Brooklyn. We visited a lot of Italian food businesses. We got Italian ices, pastries, prosciutto bowls, and then we visited a pharmacy and we got an egg cream, checked out some vinyl records, antiques. What a fun day. So much fun. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our special food tour of Carroll Gardens with some stops at a vinyl record store and antique places. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.